Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to text a Starbucks gift card. There are several benefits of texting a Starbucks gift card. The first one is it is super fast. You can send it right through iMessage. No apps, no waiting, just a few taps and it's done, which I'll just show you in a second. Secondly, it's personal. You can add a cute message or even an animated sticker to make it feel extra special. Third, it is flexible. The recipient can use it for coffee, snacks, or even Starbucks merchandise, whatever they like. Plus, it's instant. Perfect for last-minute gifts, whether it's a birthday, thank you, or just because. And since it's digital, there's no need to worry about losing it. It's stored safely in their iPhone and can be added directly to their Starbucks app for easy use. First of all you have to do is open the iMessage app on your iPhone and open the inbox or the chat of the person that you want to send your gift card. And then all you have to do is click on the plus icon, which is on the left side of the text box. You will see a bunch of options on your phone. What you have to do is click on the More option, which is on the bottom of your screen. Click on More, then more options will appear. All you have to do is swipe down, and until you see Starbucks Gifts. All you have to do is tap on Starbucks Gifts. Now you will be able to see a bunch of styles which you can send in the form of a gift card of Starbucks. If you like any style, all you have to do is click on that style or that card that you want to send. Then you'll see more options, like if you want to send $5 gift card, $10 or $25 gift card. You can select your desired value. For instance, if you want to send $5 gift card, you have to click on 5 and then simply click on Buy button, which is on the bottom right corner. And you have successfully sent your friend or whatever person the gift card of Starbucks. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.